can also, with Mr. Nonyane as well, and they can also confirm that what state have is what they do have, excluding the only statement that they said it was not part of the statement. That is statement purportedly made by accused number one.
Yes, my lady, I can confirm that there's apparently 3 statements that involve my client A8, A16, A18, which form part of the case docket. I have now received A8 as well as my land colleague, we've received A8. But I'm also, what I give my intention or I give my undertaking, I will go right after this. I've also already spoken to Mr. Reder and said to him, he must please engage with me, and so that we can see if the docket, because it was sent to us digitally, I will compare it with my hard copies and ensure that all documents, so that I don't have, that I avoid from my side the best I can the situation that we just had, because I don't want anyone to have an indication or inclination that anyone was dishonest or anyone purposefully omitted to provide us with any documentation. The simple fact of the matter is we did not have the statement. I cannot take it now. I have it now. But I think the second issue that I would like to raise, I was informed this morning what transpired yesterday, due to the fact that I consulted with my client afterwards as allowed by the court. He was not taken back to the prison itself. He was detained in the police cells, and apparently there was some very unsavory and very threats made, very thorough and straightforward threats about him being attacked, sexually abused. I don't want to go into the specifics of that. The state is also aware of that, and I would just like to specifically request that the court can make an order that they are taken back to detainment in the prison, because the cells is an issue. I don't want to take it any further than that.
Any reaction by the state?
Madam, indeed, Mr. Penter explained to me the predicament that accused number one faced yesterday, and we agreed that, in fact, the reason why we proposed 3 o'clock initially was for, one of the reasons was for him to be able to be taken back to correctional facility. But I think we are still going to approach 4. Perhaps maybe arrangements can be made that he be taken to where he was initially kept.
I understand that the person in the block, the witness in the block is the investigation officer.
Correct.
Will you take them to prison?
Yes, it will be
They will be taken back to prison. Okay. It's sorted, Mr. Penter. They
It's
will
more-
be taken back to prison.
Mr. Court, please, thank you.
So we are ready to go to tomorrow.
Yes, my lady.
We are still continuing tomorrow.
Yes, my lady. My lady, seeing in light of the fact that I have to appear before Judge Bresler, as indicated earlier in the week in that JCM, I still have to appear. There's no one that can appear and deal with that JCM. It's 2 o'clock. So I don't mind coming here at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, so that if there's any, and I don't believe it will be a long process. It's just a simple judicial case management. But due to the fact that the Judge President ordered it, I cannot simply just pass it over.
So that is just for a judicial conference.
Yes, my lady. My case